Hello everyone, today's video I'm going to show you a day in our window cleaning. We've got 20 cleans booked in for the day. I'm not going to be able to film all of them. You'll see me working with my son and also with my daughter. We'll see how we do. On a bog standard normal working day, we work as a team of 3. To enable us to do that, we rely on this, the 45 litre trolley system from X-Line. This is what my daughter Sophie uses, whilst myself and my son will work from the tank in the back of the van. Working as a 3 obviously speeds up your work and you get more work done during the day, but it is vital that you work well as a team of 3, especially when it comes to packing or unpacking the van. You need to work on this one so you don't waste any time. On this particular property, it's a bungalow, so all of us are doing lower level windows. However, you'll see why I've got my 18-foot pole in a minute. Sophie's using a 45 litre trolley with a 4-foot pole, and my son's at the front using a 4-foot pole, and he'll be working from the van. We find the 4-foot poles are really good and handy, especially for tight areas where you're close to bushes or fences and so on. You can see why I've got an 18-foot pole for this one, because we're cleaning this at the back. We tend to join forces on the conservatories and so on. Once we've done all this, we do the routine of packing away the vehicle to be quick and efficient. On this property, we're having to work as a team. So my son Matthew can get the ladder. He's going to use the ladder to get over the back so we can open up a gate. While this has been going on, Sophie's setting up his kit and equipment while I'm setting up mine. Then I've helped Sophie get the 45 litre trolley out of the van. Sophie will start cleaning the door, so it gives my son Matthew time to start on some of the windows around the back, so when she goes round there she can start on the lower windows. While this has all been going on, obviously I'm just going to clean the whole of the front. When we've finished, what happened here is Sophie will start packing away Matthew's kit and equipment, so he can then use the ladder to do the reverse and make sure the gate is closed and locked behind us when we leave. And then once my stuff's all packed away, I'm going to help Sophie get the 45 litre trolley into the van, and at the same time my son Matthew will then appear and you'll see him put the ladder back on the van. On this clean, while I'm working at the front, Matthew and Sophie are going to work as a team round the back. Sophie's going to use the 45 litre trolley again, and she'll start cleaning a door here, and while she's cleaning the door, Matthew's going to be cleaning all the upper ones. Then they'll team together on the lower stuff. Once I've done the upper windows and my 18-foot pole, sometimes it's nice just to break out the 4-foot pole, even though I'm not in a tight space, and use that. Just gives me a bit of a rest and makes things a bit different. Sometimes doing a lower window with a 18-foot or 25-foot pole, for example, can just feel a bit awkward, especially when compared to using the 4-foot one. On this clean, it's a large building, so Matthew and Sophie are working around the front as a team. There's plenty of windows to keep them busy while I'm doing the conservatory roof. Before I cleaned the conservatory roof, all the top windows were cleaned by water-fed pole and pure water, and this is where the trolley system comes in handy and makes you very versatile and can adapt to different situations. What I'm using in the 45 litre trolley here is tap water, because it's a polycarbonate roof and it saves me using too much pure water. This means I can get through the day's work without having to travel home to refill up with water, and this wouldn't be possible without the trolley system. It's surprising how much water you use, especially on a large conservatory roof such as this one. And obviously I'm using an 18-foot pole to do the conservatory roof. All the finials or cresty bits, whatever you call them, the pointy bits at the top, they've all been cleaned first as well before I start doing the roof. It is quite intensive. I guess I'm using almost 100 litres of water. The trolley system is definitely a good buy for us. It allows me to work as a 3. I don't have to get a second van out on the road. Obviously we are a lot quicker at doing our work through the day. If you're new here, why not give us a like, or please subscribe to the channel to help me grow. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.